Creating a YouTube channel is a relatively straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create your own YouTube channel. Sign in to YouTube. Visit the YouTube website, youtube.com, and click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Sign in using your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll go to YouTube Studio. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll manage your channel. Create a channel. In YouTube Studio, click on the Create button or the Customize Channel button in the left sidebar. You'll be prompted to create a new channel or use an existing brand account. Choose your channel name and customization. Enter a name for your channel. It can be your own name, a brand name, or any other name you prefer. Customize your channel by adding a profile picture, usually a logo or a photo of yourself, and a channel banner. These visuals will help establish your channel's identity. Set up your channel details. Click on the Customize Channel button in the left sidebar to access your channel settings. Here, you can add a channel description. Specify your channel's niche or topic and set up channel tags. These details will help viewers understand what your channel is about. Upload your first video. Click on the Content tab in YouTube Studio and then click the Upload button. Select the video file you want to upload from your computer. While the video is uploading, you can add a title, description, tags, and thumbnail to optimize it for search and discovery. Adjust your channel settings. Explore the settings in YouTube Studio to customize your channel further. You can manage your privacy settings, enable monetization if eligible, set up channel branding, create playlists, and promote your channel. Once you've uploaded a few videos and customized your channel, start promoting it to attract viewers and subscribers. Share your videos on social media, engage with your target audience, and utilize the strategies mentioned earlier to grow your subscriber base. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Consistently upload quality content, engage with your audience, and refine your channel based on viewer feedback. Stay committed, experiment with different video formats, and learn from other successful YouTubers in your niche to improve your channel's performance over time.
If you want to learn more, please subscribe our channel. We daily upload videos.